Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm really excited for today's video because I have my BOXYCHARM for the month of July ready to go and share with you guys. And if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size items for $21 a month. You guys, these are not samples. These are full-size items from some legit name brands, like some big name brands and some indie brands mixed up in between. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified every single time I upload a video. So let's get on into our BOXYCHARM for the month of July. Now, if you have not received your BOXYCHARM as yet and you've already signed up, I've got a link down in the description box as well if you are ready to go ahead and sign up for today's BOXYCHARM. But yeah, if you haven't seen it already, I'm so sorry, spoiler alert. And if you are new to my BOXYCHARM unboxings, I don't ever open these like off camera. So this is the first time I'm seeing this month's box. Now every month there's a theme. So let's see what this month's theme is before we dig into all the goodies. Ooh, so this month's theme is a road tripping, and we already have 5 full-size items this month, you guys, and I've already seen some big stuff. So let's dig on in, shall we? So the first thing I want to put on this box is from Dr. Brandt. And you know, Dr. Brandt is a huge name in the skincare world. And we have a Needles No More Baggage Deep Puffing Eye Gel. That's awesome, and it's good and right in time for the summer months, especially when you have some late summer nights and you got some bags in your eyes and you need to deal with that. Then this is probably really good for that. So I'm super excited to try that. Next up we have something, ooh, this is from Wonder Beauty and it's called Unlashed, and apparently this is a volume and curl mascara. This retails for $24, and if I didn't say so, the Dr. Brandt Needles No More No More Baggage, this retails for $42. This is the full size. This is not a sample of this product. This is a full size. This is $42. The box alone is $21. I tell you every month. Sign up for it. You will not regret it. Seriously, link is in the description box, guys. So next up we have this. Ooh, what's this? This is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Ooh, it's from a brand called Note Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. Like I said, BOXYCHARM does share with you guys some new brands that you've never heard about. This retails for $11.99 and it's their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And I have the shade Desert Rose. Yep, Desert Rose. Let's see if this can work for me. It probably can. It's like a peachy, pinky shade, so I'll definitely go ahead and give this a try. Next item up is what is this? A Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and this is from the brand CHELLA, and this retails for $26. I've never heard of this brand. Now the color does say Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and one end of it has like a little angled brush, and the next end, it's like a cream, a gel cream. So I'm hoping I'm able to use it. Like, it's really deep down in there. So apparently it's this innovative eye cream. I guess it's made for more so on the go. You basically take this little brush and you dig on in there. I'm hoping I'm doing this right, because that's what I get from it, just initial. Like I said, I don't dig into any of these products like before I share with you guys. So let's see. Oh, it says taupe, but that's like that's a dark shade. Wow. I should be able to use this. Definitely should be able to use it. I like the packaging. It's really travel friendly. So you just pop one end on and screw on the next end where the cream is, and you're good to go. Throw it in your bag and you're done with it. And the last and final product that I have for this month's BOXYCHARM is a palette. I do get excited when they send us palettes. So this one is from Crown Brush, and it's from their Fuego eyeshadow collection, and this retails for $29.99. So here's the palette. The packaging is a nice like cardboard type of packaging from Crown Brush Pro collection, actually. So let's go ahead and see what these colors look like. Oh, that's pretty. We have a lot of warm tones in here. So that's 4, 8, 9. So that's 10 shades right there. These are really nice. They'll be probably more suited for the fall season, but you can definitely wear colors whenever you feel like it. They give you 4 shimmer shades and you get 6 matte shades in here, so that's really nice. I'm going to go ahead and quickly swatch these. So let's try our hand. Oh, those are really pigmented. Wow. I think I swatched a color that's more like a sunrise type of color. It's really really duochrome. Like these are some really nice colors, you guys, and it does come with a nice big mirror, so you can definitely see the types of looks you'll be creating. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's unboxing for the BOXYCHARM for July. I think they did a really good job with diversifying this month's box. It's really nice. I do like the palette from Creme brushes, and I'm really excited about this Dr. Brandt eye cream. So if you want to get awesome things like this every month in your mailbox, go on ahead and sign up for BOXYCHARM. Again, the link is in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing if you have. If you've gotten your BOXYCHARM, let me know if you got the same things as I did. And yeah, because they sometimes can vary just a little bit, not a lot. Alright, you guys, so thanks so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, loves.